In today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you how I run my business from my phone using Quo's professional business phone system mobile app. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. If you're like most service business owners, you're probably not sitting behind a desk all day. You're driving between jobs, meeting customers, supervising employees, picking up supplies, completing estimates, or running errands. The reality is your business doesn't stop just because you're away from your computer. That's why today I want to show you one of my favorite tools for running my business from anywhere, the Quo mobile app. Really quick, I want to mention that today's video is sponsored by Quo. You can start your free trial by using the link in the description of this video and my bio, and also get a special discount if you decide Quo works well for you. No contracts or long-term commitments. Now, before we get started, I do want to mention that Quo absolutely works on desktop too. In fact, I use both. When I'm in the office, I'm typically working from my desktop because it's great for building automations, managing settings, and doing more detailed administrative work. But when I'm out in the field, traveling, meeting my clients, or simply away from my desk, the mobile app is where Quo really shines. Today's video is going to focus specifically on how you can run your business directly from your phone. We'll talk about what Quo is, why it's so helpful for service businesses, and then I'll walk you through the mobile app so you can see how everything works. Let's get started. If you've never heard of Quo before, it's much more than just a business phone number. Quo is an AI-powered business communication platform that helps you manage your business conversations all in one place. Instead of using your personal phone for everything, Quo gives your business its own professional phone system where you can manage phone calls, text messages, voicemails, AI assistants, call recordings, contacts, team communication, business automations, and analytics. One thing I really appreciate is that it keeps my business and my personal life completely separate. When my business closes for the day, I'm not digging through personal text messages trying to find a customer conversation. Everything is organized exactly where it belongs. Another huge advantage is that your entire team can use the same phone system. If you have office staff, virtual assistants, dispatchers, receptionists, or multiple employees answering phones, everyone can log into Quo using their own account. That means multiple people can answer calls, respond to text messages, check voicemails, and communicate without customers sharing one cell phone. As your business grows, that is a huge advantage. As business owners, we spend most of our day away from our desks. We're doing walkthroughs, meeting customers, checking on job sites, managing employees, traveling, picking up supplies, running estimates, answering questions. If your business depends on customer communication, you need access to everything, no matter where you are. That's exactly why I love the Quo mobile app. I don't have to wait until I'm back at my office. Everything that I need is already in my pocket. I can answer a new lead, respond to a text, call a customer, listen to a voicemail, review a previous conversation, or even check what one of my team members discussed with the client. It allows me to keep my business moving even when I'm constantly on the go. Let's open the app. The dashboard is clean and very easy to navigate. Even if you're not very tech savvy, it's simple to learn. Everything you need is only a few taps away. Let's start with the phone calls. Inside the app, you'll see incoming calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, voicemails, call recordings. One thing I absolutely love is that every call can be recorded. This is incredibly helpful when you're talking to new customers. Think about it. Many of us are driving when answering calls. Maybe we're walking through a property. Maybe we're shopping for supplies. You don't always have your booking software open. Instead of worrying about remembering everything, you can focus on having a great conversation. Ask all the important questions you normally would. Things like first name, last name, phone number, email address, service address, type of cleaning, square footage, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms. Is this a recurring service or a one-time cleaning? Deep cleaning or standard cleaning? Move in, move out? Are there pets in the home? Preferred date? How did they hear about us? Any special requests?
Later, when you're back in the office, you can simply replay the recording and enter everything into your CRM or booking software. You're never trying to remember what the customer said. You never have to pull over to write everything down. That alone has saved us a lot of stress. Text messaging. Customers love text messaging. Many people would rather send a quick message than make a phone call. Inside of Quo, all of your business conversations stay together. Appointment confirmations, questions, follow-ups, photos, everything stays inside one organized conversation. Again, no more mixing business messages with personal texts. Contacts. Every customer has their own profile. You can quickly search for anyone, view previous conversations, see call history, review notes, listen to recordings, and have all of their information available wherever you are. That makes repeat customers incredibly easy to manage. AI features. One thing that separates Quo from many traditional phone systems is its AI. I'm not going to spend too much time on AI today because I actually have several videos dedicated to those features. But just know that Quo's AI agent, Sona, can answer calls, assist customers, route calls, automate conversations, and help your business provide faster customer service. If you're a solo business owner, it can make your business feel much larger than it actually is. Notifications. Everything happens in real time. If somebody texts your business, you'll know immediately. Missed call, you'll know. Voicemail, you'll know. That means you're able to respond faster, which often leads to booking more jobs.
Although I use Quo in my cleaning business, this really isn't just for cleaning companies. It's an excellent solution for almost any service-based business, including cleaning companies, landscaping businesses, HVAC companies, electricians, plumbers, roofers, painters, pressure washing companies, junk removal businesses, moving companies, pool service companies, window cleaning companies, handymen, general contractors, locksmiths, mobile detailers, lawn care companies, appliance repair businesses, property management companies, medical offices, law firms, real estate teams, insurance agencies, and honestly, any small business that depends on answering calls, following up with customers, and providing great communication. As you can see, Quo gives you the flexibility to run your business wherever you are. Yes, the desktop platform is fantastic, and I definitely use it for more detailed work inside of my business. But for the day-to-day operations, staying connected while traveling, responding to customers quickly, checking on employees, or handling leads between appointments, the mobile app is incredibly powerful. If you're looking for a professional business phone system that grows with your business, keeps your team connected, separates your personal and business communications, and lets you work from virtually anywhere, Quo is definitely worth checking out. And if you're ready to learn more, be sure to watch my complete Quo playlist here on YouTube. Inside that playlist, I cover topics like how to get started with Quo, setting up your account, creating contacts, understanding analytics, using Sona AI, building AI call flows, and many more detailed tutorials that will help you get the most out of the platform. Remember, you try Quo for free by using the link in the description in this video and in my bio, and you will also get a special discount if you decide Quo works well for you. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know down in the comments. If you could manage one part of your business from your phone, what would it be? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.